Vazyme is a global supplier of life science products and solutions. Today we are going to have a tour of its production facility, the very place where the enzyme product you're currently holding in your hands is brought to life. Want to explore the life journey of our products? Join us in this exciting tour of our technological playground. The key to high product quality is high quality materials. That is why Vazyme has always insisted on producing its core materials internally. What you see is a multi-purpose GMP cleanroom for mRNA enzyme production. It meets the GMP, good manufacturing practice, requirements to minimize the risk of microbial, particle, and pyrogen contamination and ensure sterile manufacturing. This is essential to quality, safety, and consistency of our products. After expanding the raw materials in the 150-liter seed tank, they are transferred to a huge 5-ton fermentation tank for cultivation, and then moved to the 10-ton storage tank in the crude extraction room for separation, washing, and crushing. After filtration and column operation, the resulting enzyme raw materials are freeze-dried into powder and stored in cold storage at different temperatures based on storage requirements. This warehouse stores key materials for reagent production. All incoming raw and auxiliary materials will be 100% inspected before production. Our lean production management system is based on the 5M1E model, which stands for man, machine, material, method, measurement, and environment. We designed the quality management process from these 6 aspects and put systematic efforts on quality assurance. And did you know this warehouse is really smart? All the operations are supported by the Warehouse Management System, WMS. Together with SAP and MES systems, it forms a powerful network that oversees every piece of incoming and outgoing goods. Every item has a unique ID for easy tracking and refined management. Let's take a closer look at the shop floor. We have established the 6 production lines for our portfolio of over 30 product lines. GMP-grade cleanroom with designated access for personnel and materials to manage the production environment carefully to ensure product quality.
Hello everyone. As you see, what's behind me is material-only passageway for key materials for production to enter the clean room. Before the materials get in, they need to undergo unpacking, followed by disinfection and air shower, and finally exposed to UV light for 50 minutes. As for the production personnel, they have another passageway and 15-step procedure. We do this to ensure that the environment in the clean room always meets the standard.
The manufacturing process starts here. We mix raw materials to produce wanted reagents. The tricky thing is maintaining the right material proportions, temperature, pH value, and stirring speed. The reactors scale-up are preparing. Say hi to our colleagues on the shop floor. They are crucial to our product quality. That is why we have a standardized training and evaluation plan for all staff. They have to pass theoretical and practical assessments before being qualified for tasks including preparing, dispensing, packaging, and quality inspection.
Hi guys! To guarantee the precise formulation of our reagents, we have constantly followed the one operator, one inspector principle. Each production line is equipped with a quality assurance specialist like me. We meticulously oversee and inspect the quality of the product at every step of the manufacturing process.
Moving on, this is where we dispense the liquid from reactors into sealed tubes. The process is automated to ensure the consistency of product quantity and quality. Robots power the whole process, from arranging tubes, dispensing liquids, and screwing caps, to labeling, inkjet printing, and placing the tubes into boxes. This is one of our stars, a pipette controller. It uses patented air displacement technology and precision-oriented piston and push rod design to meet the accuracy requirements for consistent dispensing. Low-temperature protection devices are also installed to avoid impacts of temperature changes on the products. Next up is our packaging room. Again, machines dominate the whole process. UV printing, labeling, ID assignment, component placement, blister packaging, carton forming, label attachment, and plastic film wrapping. Look, this robot is assigning IDs to the products. In this modern factory, information management runs through the entire production process.
This is our blister machine on the automated packaging assembly line. This device can apply a thin film on the surface of the product and then heat it to solidify, forming a protective package. After going through subsequent steps on the assembly line, such as instruction manual insertion, boxing, weighing, and quality inspection, a complete product is ready to go. As you all know, our best-selling product, the TAC Pro Universal Cyber qPCR Master Mix, is produced on this line.
Quality, quality, quality. One can never overstate the importance of quality management. Our quality inspectors uphold the highest standards to oversee every step of production. 8 rigorous quality inspection processes allow us to maintain strict control over the quality of each product throughout the entire workflow, from key material producing, such as protein purification, crude product preparation, high-density fermentation, enzyme preparation, to preparing, dispensing, packaging, and finally warehousing. To ensure optimal and consistent product performance, we developed unique testing methods to assess the following indicators for consumables, like no residue of nuclease, sterility, sealability, and volatility. We also use a meticulous cross-contamination testing plan for NGS adapters, effectively preventing any crosstalk. A real-time environment and personnel monitoring system is also in place to ensure compliance in every operation.
Hello everyone, here we are in the Quality Control Center number. I'm currently performing a qPCR to test the actual performance of the product. Besides carry out real-time inspections in the production workshop, we also take samples before the intermediates move to the next process and set these samples here for further testing. This ensures the entire production process is both monitorable and testable.
Our quality system guarantees the consistency and reliability of our products and plays a crucial role in helping us obtain a number of quality certifications. We are now at the warehouse for final products that meet quality standards are stored here before delivery. We have finished product warehouses with different temperatures to meet the storage conditions. All the information is read by unique ID and shared by the WMS and CRM Customer Relationship Management System. This boosts the operational efficiency and flexibility of our supply chain to be your trustable and reliable helper for your work. At the same time, each product packaging is equipped with a unique RFID chip. This chip can help track critical information such as SKU, batch, and shipping orders. Not only does this allow for precise tracking of the product's journey, but it also adds reliability to the origin of your product. We use special dry ice packaging boxes and cold chain transportation for temperature-sensitive products, stored and transported at required temperatures to ensure their performance. Here, all products are packed and shipped to all over the world. So far, we have established a presence in multiple locations, including the United States, Indonesia, Singapore, Germany, Hong Kong SAR, Canada, the United Kingdom, and Australia, etc., offering technical support and localized product delivery. We also have warehouses in Europe, North America, and Southeast Asia to ensure fast, high-quality delivery. Guided by the founding aspiration, for science, for health, Vazyme strives to reduce its environmental impacts and protect occupational health and safety. This manufacturing site is a testimony to this commitment. It has multiple waste gas treatment facilities to properly manage waste gases and reduce emissions. The 260-ton integrated wastewater treatment system and liquid waste inactivation system use the cell clustering-based MCCE technology to process fermentation biowaste, reducing hazardous wastewater discharge by 109.2 tons every year. An equally important goal for us is to create a safe production environment for our workers. We have built a standardized, fully automatic, explosion-proof packaging workshop. Products containing alcohol or other flammable and explosive ingredients are dispensed and packed here. The interlocking device here stops the machine when we open the door to ensure the safety of operators. Also, as you can see, the protective covers for lights, metal covers for the machines, and explosion-proof glass shields add additional layers of protection for employees. For over a decade, we have been dedicated to leverage our professional expertise, uphold the highest standards on R&D and production, and create value for our customers. Moving forward, we remain steadfastly committed to advancing scientific research, enhancing public health, and fostering collaborations towards a healthier and greener future. So what's holding you up? More information or have any questions, please feel free to check out our website, www.vazymeglobal.com, or get in touch with our team. Get on board now and work your magic with our life science products.